All right, so you should have already watched your cytoplasm video and answered the question. So let's make sure that we are on the same page before we move on. Sharing my screen with you. So when you watch the video, the main thing you should have answered is, what does the cytoplasm do? There's a couple different things you could have said here, but the main idea that you should have had down is that it fills the cell. So if this is like our cell here, the whole inside of it, that jelly liquid inside of it, would be the cytoplasm. So in the video, they talk about like a water balloon. If you picture filling up a water balloon, right, when it's on its own, honestly, I wish I had one I could show you with, but I can't find one during quarantine. If you had a water balloon, it's just kind of floppy there. And as you fill it with water, it's filling up. And so that water inside is like the cytoplasm, filling the space. Now, if you took a water balloon and you just shoved a couple like pieces of candy or some Legos or something inside, they'd all just sit together at the bottom. When you fill it up with water, they can kind of float in their own space. And so that's what the cytoplasm does. It's actually more of like a jelly, so it's even better at holding those organelles there. It holds the organelles in the space and gives it like form. Now, what it also does is it transports molecules, right? So when the RNA has to travel from the nucleus, it travels through the cytoplasm. So the cytoplasm gel helps it get to where it needs to go. So a couple main things there. Again, if you have any questions, like I haven't said this in the last few videos, but you know to text me, call me. You know I am not afraid to blow up your phone, some of you. So text me, call me, come to office hours, do what you need to do. All right, our cytoplasm reading. It's not that long today, but I'm going to read it out loud and we'll go together. What is cytoplasm? Cytoplasm, the watery gel-like substance found inside of all cells, acts like a saltwater swimming pool for the other cell parts. Even though cytoplasm is one of the simplest parts of the cell, without it, nearly all the other parts would not be able to move freely through the cell. So which of the following describes the cytoplasm? Check your answer when you hear it. A, it fills the cell and contains all the other organelles. B, it surrounds the cell and lets things in and out. C, it contains the DNA and controls all the other organelles. Or D, it makes important proteins for cell functions. Check your answer. All right, you should have said A, it fills the cell and contains all of the other organelles. If you didn't, that's okay. Change your answer now. Moving. Why do we need the cytoplasm? Think about a bathtub full of toys. When the bathtub does not have any water in it, the toys are all laying at the bottom of the tub. When you add water, the toys can float or move around in the water. Cytoplasm provides a structure for the cell, like the water does for the toys in the tub. You can also think of cytoplasm like water in a water balloon. Without the water, the balloon would not have a shape. It would just be flat. This is just like your cells without cytoplasm. All right, so kind of like I was explaining before, but there you have it in the article. So in your own words, sorry, I feel like I'm gonna sneeze. My allergies are out of control. I don't know if anyone else's are. Now that we've learned about allergies a couple weeks ago, maybe you have a better understanding of your allergies. Anyways, in your own words, why is the cytoplasm important? So take a couple moments to type that here. There's a couple different things you could write, so I'm not going to tell you, but I want to see what you write. So the cytoplasm is important because, and you should be typing. Doesn't need to be much more than one sentence, maybe two. I'm not looking for anything crazy here. If you want to go crazy, that's fine too. Make sure you're using your own words. You're not Googling on the side for some other words written by somebody else. I can tell the difference. I promise. All right, if you need more time, pause me. Otherwise, we're going to move on. What are the functions of cytoplasm? Cytoplasm is a clear substance that is gel-like in the cell membrane, but is on the outside of the nucleus. So you have your cell, you have your nucleus inside. So the cytoplasm is not in the nucleus, it's just all around the sides. It contains mostly water, I'm back to reading, with the addition of enzymes, we'll learn about those, organelles, salts, and organic molecules. Cytoplasm will liquefy when it is stirred or agitated. It is often referred to as cytosol, meaning substance of the cell. Cytoplasm supports and suspends cellular molecules and organelles. Organelles are tiny cellular structures within the cytoplasm that perform specific function in bacteria or prokaryotic cells and eukaryotic cells of plants, animals, and humans. Cytoplasm also helps to move things around in the cells, such as hormones, and dissolve any cellular waste that may occur. All right. One question here. Which of the following describes the job or jobs of the cytoplasm? Apparently my dog doesn't like that question. Buddy. Shh. I apologize. Oh, he doesn't listen to me. It's okay. All right. Which of the following describes the job of the cytoplasm? A, the cytoplasm fills the cell. B, the cytoplasm holds all of the organelles in place. C, the cytoplasm helps to move important molecules from place to place. Or D, all of the above. What do we think is the answer? Take a moment, make sure you're looking at them carefully. All right, your answer should have been D, all of the above. Those are all jobs of the cytoplasm. And believe it or not, we are at our exit ticket, and it's just going to be 2 quick questions. So really impressed with you for getting your work done. Make sure you're doing your work, telling your friends to do your work. And if you've missed any work, go ahead and do that as well to get credit for this week. Really proud of all of you. Miss you all. Hope you have a great rest of your day.